Sunshine. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Earfleek. This is July. I keep thinking a month ahead. I don't know. I'm like, yeah, it's August, guys, but no, it's actually July. Stop trying to push time forward, Elizabeth. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Earfleek. And for those of you who do not know, Earfleek is a monthly earring subscription. I want to say it's like $3.17. I don't know. I know it's around the general $3 area. I don't know like cents wise what it is, but I definitely know it's around the $3 area. Earfleek actually offers 3 different subscription selections. So you can choose the classic one, which is like the more serious and like classy earrings. They also offer one that I don't remember what it's called, but it's like the fun earrings. Like they got like pizza and pineapple earrings and all the crazy fun stuff. And then they have an offer where you can, the third selection is where you can choose a mixture of both. So I chose the mixture of both. This is my second month with Earfleek. So yeah, last month I wasn't super in love with my earrings, but I'm really hoping I get a fun pair this month. Like I really want to get a fun pair. I would love to get pizza earrings. That is literally what I'm so excited about. So yeah, so we're gonna just open this guy up, and this should be a pretty quick unboxing. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first I should probably show you guys the card that these came all wrapped in. It says, "Hey girl, here's a pair of fun earrings I personally selected just for you. Hope you love your new bling, your stylist, Rachel S." This is the same stylist I had last month. And then everything came wrapped in bubble wrap. Last month, I actually got a hairband, like a green elastic hairband in my subscription. And this month, I don't have anything extra. So let's look at these earrings. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to show you guys what they look like. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show you guys what these look like. I'm sorry if my filming quality isn't as like spot on as it normally is. I did buy a new phone and I film my videos on my phone, so I'm hoping this camera works with me. So basically these are just little like stud earrings, but on the inside they're like filled with these super tiny like yellow gold beads. Okay, we're gonna try and get this to focus. Please focus. Okay, so that's just show you guys better. This is what it actually looks like. And it's so pretty. They're so incredibly pretty. So I just put in the earrings and they're very light feeling, and I'm so glad that they have backings. But here's what it looks like on my ear. And I think these are actually, I know these aren't the fun earrings that I was hoping to get, but these are actually really pretty. And I've seen like earrings that have like a ball in the back and those are filled, but I've never seen stud earrings like this where like the actual inside of the earring part is filled, and tapping on it I can hear all the little beads bouncing around in my ear. So for my second month of Earfleek, I actually really like these earrings. I think they're cute. I think they're definitely something that I would wear, very dainty and unique. I am actually very happy with these earrings. I know like they aren't pizza earrings, but hey, these were actually still really cute. So what did you guys think of my July unboxing of Earfleek? Did you guys like these earrings? Do you not like them? What are some earrings that you would like to see Earfleek send out? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.